Good morning, beauties, and welcome back. This is Wangly with Two Chic Chicks, here to give you a little short tutorial on how I care for the hair on my face. My care is to remove it, not to keep it. The extra. Okay, and that wasn't what I wanted to say. Good morning, beauties, and welcome back. This is Wangly with Two Chic Chicks, and today I am here to show you how I remove the extra hair off my face. So, if you want to know what that is, just keep on watching. But before we get into that, let me thank all those who are subscribers. Thank you so much for coming back and watching and for subscribing. And for those of you who are new, I would like to tell you, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am so happy that you have chosen to subscribe to my channel. Now, if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so at this moment. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted of all the new videos coming up. So, let's get into the tutorial. Arching my eyebrows and removing the hair off my lip and chin is, I use a product, and it's a cream-based product. So it's no wax and no, pulling off hairs and all this. It's none of that. It's very painless. So the name of it, I use the Nair hair and face removal right here. And before we get started, let me do my disclaimer. This is how Wangly do Wangly. I'm not telling you go out and do this. I'm just sharing with you how I do me. That's it. And I always do this when I begin to use something that's a chemical base or whatever. Because I do not want you to, oh, well, Wangly from Two Chic Chicks did it, so it must be right. Well, it's okay for me. It works on my face. And I will always tell you to test before you just go whole hog, because it might break you out or something. So just test a small area on your face, like a little bit on your lip or on your chin or something like that. But just don't go in hog heavy and just be, all over your face. But I'm gonna tell you, me, myself, I am definitely, I don't know lately, I've been trying to find other ways of doing things at home so I can multitask, I guess, or I just say I've gotten lazy. I don't wanna have to run out, get my eyebrows arched, get eyelashes, get my hair removed off my chin and my lip and all these other things. I'm not in the mood always to go out. Now I still do it from time to time, but I'm not always in the mood to do it, so I just find other ways to do it where I can do it in convenience of my home, get it done, move on to other things to do. That's just how I have gotten in my little more mature way, age. So what I do is first, I'm gonna put a little down here, and how I apply this is where we're at. I'm gonna show you how I apply. I use my trusty Q-tips for this to apply. Just use as many Q-tips as you need. I normally need 2. Okay, so what I do is first I grow my brows, because that's where I start at, is with my brows. And I think I better come up just a little. I don't know how to zoom this camera, so I'm gonna come up. And what I do is I just go with the arch of my eyebrow. And like I say, I just flip most of the hair upward. And what I want to clean is this little extra hair, if you can see, that's right here. See, I have it on each side. The extra hair right there. I just want to clean that up. I don't want to do no extra. I don't go over the top or anything. I'm basically just cleaning the bottom. I don't mind the top having extra hairs. It's not a whole lot. So I don't mind it being a little wild up top. Just a little bit. And if I need to do anything, I'll basically use scissors to clip that, but for the most part I don't. So I dip my Q-tip into the product, and so this is what is on the product. Let me back up. The product is on the Q-tip, I'm sorry. And then if you can see. I'm looking down at my mirror and I begin to just apply it to where the hair is. So I roll it and I come down as far as needed. And keep doing it. And I put as much product as I need. So I dipped it again a second time. And I am. So it should be a clean line. And if you have a lot of hair, you might want to pack it on a little bit more. But this is what it looks like. And as you see, I still have the hair over here. I'm just concentrating on the extra hair. Now I could pluck it. It never gets as clean. And I do, from time to time, do pluck it. And it just doesn't get as clean. So I'm gonna go on the other side and I'm gonna do the same thing. Now have your tweezers by, because when you finish you still might have to pluck a few, you know, spare and out their hairs. Okay. All right. And like I say, sometimes I roll it so the product will stay on. Okay, so that's I2. You see? Make sure now, when you open your eye, you don't get this on your lashes. Okay, so you clean that up. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to my lip. Now my lip grows hair everywhere. So I just take a big generous amount and I begin to spread it across my lip.
Oh wait, 난 나의 정겨울 주엘 매일 영접할 수 있다면 매일이 좋아해.
저녁처럼 먼데 빈틈이 없네 자랐다가도 돌아지면 마음이 아파와 I want you to love me until I die 다 가져가 원한다면.
So what I end up doing, I leave this on for a few minutes, like maybe 3 minutes. If I begin to start feeling a tingle, I should have been took it off. But I leave it on for a few minutes, like I would say maybe about 3 minutes or so. But this is your look afterwards. Let's do our slow-mo. Do I just look darling? Well, sometimes you look way ugly before you look cute, honey. Maintenance is sometimes could be a little ugly. Well, you pray don't know packages or anything come to your door while you looking like this. Definitely, you don't want to look like this and have to answer your door. So if I keep looking off, I'm like I told you, I'm looking in a bigger mirror and stuff. And I do got to get a different camera because I need to be able to see some screen and flip or something. So this is it. I'll be back in a few minutes to show you how to take it off. Yes, I'm back. Now it's time to remove this. And what I do is I wet my towel and I always use a white face cloth on my face. I never use any colored face towels at all. I always use strictly 100% cotton and white towel, okay? So here we go. I'll start here and I'll wipe. And after this, I actually go straight into how I clean my face. So, see? And this is my bad eye. I always like how this eyebrow comes out looking. I just add a little extra. I don't care what I do. This just don't grow right. It's just a proper indentation. It never grows right. And then above the lip and the chin. And the chin chin. So yeah. All clean. Hair free now. I can go on. So that is how I remove the hair off my face. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned, got something from it. You might can do it, and maybe. But with that being said, now I go into my face cleaning routine immediately. But that's for a different video. So thank you for watching again. And if you have not subscribed, please do so at this time and click the bell. And all my subscribers, welcome back. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Every day 피자 파스타 소스 너가 원함 난 고고